I'm here at Lowe's, and this is the door stopper. Sliding door lock, see? They have this one. I'm gonna get it. It's for $3.49. They even have this one. They have a slide door keypad or keyed lock, which you could use that. They have cabinet and drawer lock. Cabinet door lock. But see, they have the big one. If you want to get the sliding door lock that locks, it's this one. But I'm getting this one. They also have that one. Sliding door lock. They have that one. Cabinet and drawer locks. Mailbox lock. But yeah, this is it right here. I'm gonna get this one. But they have the ones for the windows. I don't know if they have them here. But it would be something like this. But you could probably even use this for your window. And they have the things for the cabinets. That's what I'm needing right now. That's what I'm here for.